Welcome to the wild world of the animal kingdom, where danger can lurk in the most unexpected places. Let's dive into the top 5 deadliest creatures on our planet. At number 5, we have the poison dart frog. Don't be fooled by its vibrant colors. This tiny creature carries enough venom to take down 10 grown men. Coming in at number 4 is the African elephant, the largest land animal. When agitated, they can be incredibly destructive. Slithering into the third spot is the king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake. Its bite can cause death in just 30 minutes. The runner-up is the saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile. Its powerful jaws can deliver deadly bites. And at the top, we have the tiny but lethal mosquito. Yes, the mosquito. It kills millions each year by transmitting diseases. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts about our world's deadliest creatures. Remember, knowledge is the best defense.